Gratitude fills the air as we express our sincere thanks to our Vice Principal Ma'am, Vandana Sharma, gracing us with words of wisdom. It is my proud privilege to announce the commencement of torch relay. The flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge and life. It represents endeavor for protection and struggle for victory. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the torch bearers. It is indeed a sight to behold as our sports coach, Arisa, lights the torch. Brace yourself with an exhilarating moment as the first torch bearer, Anushka, carries the torch. Anushka is a state-level chess player and has won second position in District Chess Championship.
Now the torch passes to Devi, who has won gold medals at district and state level state championship. He is also the recipient of bronze medal in the Tri-Nation National State Championship. Torch now passes to Agni, who is a decorated chess player and also has represented at the state level. Next, the torch passes from Agni to Omri, who has won various gold medals at the district and state skate championship.
The torch is now being handed over to Arjun, who is a state-level badminton player. He has won a bronze medal in district-level state championship. The torch ignites the passion of sporting spirit among all, as it is being carried forward by Ahan, who has won a gold medal in Tri-Nation Skate Championship. He has also won a gold medal at District Level Badminton Championship. The next torch bearer is Par, who is a state level swimming player. He has won a silver medal in District Level Championship. The torch is being guided by our very young sports achiever, Myra Kolia, who has won many medals in skating. She has won a gold medal in the CBSE National Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, please applaud as the torch is now being handed over to our sports captain, Pridyansh Malhotra. When you have a dream, you've got to grab it. This holds true for Pridyansh, who has won many medals at international level also. He is an international skate player. He has won a gold and silver medal both in stage, skate and badminton. He won a gold medal in the Asian Skate Championship. He has been awarded rupees 3 lakhs cash prize by the government. Please give him a big hand.
May we now request Pridyansh and Harisa to kindly light the torch. Ladies and gentlemen, the flame of peace and harmony is now lit amidst us. May this light remove the darkness from the lives of all.
Today, as we embark on this Sports Day journey, let us embrace the spirit that guides us.